Hey guys, it's CW here. Hope y'all are doing well. Just thought I would jump on real quick. Nothing too major to talk about today. Um, I have been posting earthquakes for the better part of the day. Let me go over here to one of my groups and I will run down some earthquakes that I have posted. There was a 3.2 Walker Lake, Nevada. There was a 2.4 San Francisco Bay Area, California. There was a 3.3 Southern Italy, a 4.3 in the GNC. There was a 3.8 Calabria, Italy. There was a 4.3 Greece, a 3.5 near the east coast of Honshu, Japan, a 5.4 Tebelo, Indonesia. Show you where this one was located. So we'll show you where this one was. This one was located, this is Mindanao, this is Manado, Northern Maluku, and this was where the 5.4 was located, and that's North Sulawesi right there. And that's going off of my earthquake app that I did. As far as the tropics go, we'll take a look at that real quick. And we can see that number 5 is down here, still going towards this area here. It's moving at 26 knots, 35 miles per hour. We'll show you what windy shows that it's doing. Windy.com. So this is it right over here in this area. We'll show you what it's going to do as it moves through the next few days. So it's moving towards San Juan. So that area there is going to have some tropical stuff to deal with. Santo Domingo area as it becomes a hurricane and starts its turn into the Atlantic. This nice ridge up here comes along, scoops this puppy up. It carries it out into the Atlantic as it becomes a hurricane. And this is what Windy is showing that it is doing. So we hope that it doesn't come further this way. And I am glad that this didn't come towards land here because this looks like a major hurricane. So this shows that it is coming up this way. And as we see here, it tends to take a little bit of a track towards this way. So it could actually end up here after Wednesday. Just depends on where exactly it's headed after Tuesday, Wednesday. So the people up by St. John's area here need to just keep an eye on this as it bounces around here in the Atlantic. Now it looks like it gets swept back off there. And then we watch this little center down here and see what happens here. So that's what that shows. So when we look at the map here, shows it going in a hook here. So you can see that it shows 2 pieces of land. Now this is a little bit different here because Windy shows it coming out this way. So this map shows it coming this way. So my worry is if it comes any more this way, it could also do this. If it pushed any more, then it could do this. So we just have to keep an eye on it and see what exactly does happen. Anyway, that's just a real quick update for you guys. I hope y'all are doing well. Just thought I would peek on and say hi to you guys, let y'all know I'm doing well. I forgot to show y'all we are still under a flood warning here in my neck of the woods. and that is through tonight. So you can see we still having um, rainy times. When we're getting rain, we're getting rain, like heavy rain. And this flood warning is basically for the Cape Fear River. Um, like we say, the water has to go back somewhere, and because it hasn't dried out all the way, it means that the flood gauges are still high. And let's see whether I've got any more storms for today. So far, we'll see what my weather radar is showing. So far, we've had a few storms that have passed. We had a really good one this morning, which has passed us already. They just keep popping up and then drying out and popping up and drying out. So as you can see, slight chance of storms. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well, and I will be back on if anything big happens. Our last earthquake showing was 15 minutes ago. It was a 3.2 in the Aegean Sea. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless, and I will chat with you guys later. Remember to tell someone that you love them. Love you guys.